1965 Fastback, A code. Can you rev it, Dan? Power steering, pony interior, console. Original radio.
Tach works.
Oh, it does?
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't look at it earlier. It's got the Rally Pac and tach works. Yeah, usually they don't work.
Yeah, no, that's an $8 grand Rally Pac.
Cowls look real good. The floor pans look excellent. No rust anywhere. Has had a quarter repair on the left rear quarter. Never wrecked in the front end. Do you have the molding pieces for the back window?
I got that. I got the horse and corral.
Oh, okay.
Front bumper. I got the air conditioning compressor.
Well, just see, you might have somebody who goes, yeah, I want it, and then tell them this.
Got the one-piece export brace.